Hi, and welcome to Geek Timmy Crafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies. Today we'll be going to the Dollar Tree. If you get value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell at the top so you'll be notified when I upload. So the Dollar Tree is a unique place because everything in this store is only $1. Sometimes that's a good deal, sometimes it's not, so you just kind of have to keep an eye on the market and do some shopping around to see what prices are like at regular stores at full price. They have a selection of paper goods, office supplies, and even books. Here are a few examples of some books that I have found with crochet tutorials. Here's an end cap full of just Crayola products. They also have a good selection of stickers, journals, and I do have to apologize for the state of this particular store. I did go on a Monday, so they haven't quite fixed and restocked everything from the weekend, so some of these shelves are a little empty. What is nice about this one, though, is they do have an entire aisle called Crafters Square, where they have very affordable crafting supplies. And like I said, unfortunately, these shelves are pretty bare, but they usually have some type of yarn. They always have really great pens. I did actually purchase those gel pens right there. I can't help myself, I love pens. On the other side behind me, they do have wooden objects that you can paint on. They have paint brushes, all kinds of fun creative things to do with your little ones. They have mini canvases. There's some glue, glitter glue. There's the wooden products that you can paint or add glitter to. Very, very cute. They have recently had those galvanized steel wall hangings. And then the sticker selection at this store is usually pretty good, but it's looking a mess right now. They also have a variety of pom-poms, craft bags, foam sheets, felt. At some stores I can find fat quarters of cotton fabric, which are really great. So before, I was showing you some yarn, and right here is a shot of my newly organized yarn bookcase. I have them organized by rainbow order color. About a quarter of the yarn in my stash is from Dollar Tree, and they don't always have a consistent supply or even consistent colors, but when they have them, I grab them up. Recently, they've gotten in a selection of some pearls, wooden beads, and other decor that you can fill up with the vases, which of course you can get at Dollar Tree. Those butterflies are so cute. Let me know in the comments below what you would do with those. Right here are some organizational trays, which are really great for drawers if you have those. Here's some wall stickers for bedrooms or even your craft room. And then the contact paper, really great. Right here I'm going to show you the clear contact paper. If you have a Cricut machine, that stuff is a lifesaver because the Cricut brand is super expensive. Right here is a shot of my fabric that I have organized with the Dollar Tree tubs. They had a while back marble colored lids, and I was obsessed with them, so I went and bought like 6 or 8 of them and reorganized my entire fabric stash so that I could justify purchasing those tubs. One of the really great things about Dollar Tree is that they have some great glassware selections. And so right here are some shots of some candle holders, tumblers, champagne glasses, mugs, some other things that you can purchase as blanks for projects using a Silhouette or a Cricut machine. I absolutely love these. Here's another shot of one. You can create your own SVGs online. Please let me know if you would like a tutorial on that.
Whether I am fighting or in flight.
Dollar Tree is also a really great place to pick up any kind of tape that you might need. I use the duct tape for sandwiching my quilts. There are Velcro strips, razor blades, all kinds of stuff in the hardware section that you can use for your crafting, like pliers, rope, all kinds of things. In addition to the office supplies and the hardware, they also have t-shirts. I have used these t-shirts to make things for my children, myself, my husband, and so when they have the right size, I go ahead and I pick them up because I can use my Cricut machine to create my own t-shirt designs. And here's a couple shots of those. One thing about the t-shirts is that you want to make sure that they don't have any imperfections. If they do, Dollar Tree is really good about putting stickers on the t-shirts to show you if there's a thread missing or a hole in the shirt, but I really haven't found that many that have imperfections, but just a heads up on that. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please like and subscribe, and then comment below what supplies would you like to see at your Dollar Tree. What would you create with the things that you could find here? Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.